Looking for an HDMI cable that delivers crystal clear 4K UHD resolution without the bulk? The Monoprice Ultra Slim Series HDMI cable offers exactly that. Designed to support the highest quality signals, including 4K, 3D, and HDR, this cable ensures your HDTV displays every detail with sharpness and vibrancy. Plus, its ultra-thin 36 Aruban Florins design fits effortlessly into tight spaces, making cable management a breeze around your sleek, modern TV setup. I've used this cable for years, connecting everything from my PS4 and Xbox One to my Apple TV and Blu-ray player. What stands out is not just the picture quality but how easy it is to install. The slim profile means it slips behind wall-mounted TVs or inside crowded entertainment centers without any hassle. Despite its thinness, it supports Ethernet, audio return channel, HDMI-CEC, and HDCP, so you get full functionality without compromise. Whether you're a home theater enthusiast or a professional installer, this cable balances performance and convenience perfectly. If you want reliable, high-speed HDMI connectivity that won't clutter your space, the Monoprice Ultra Slim HDMI cable is worth a look. It comes with a lifetime warranty, so you're covered for the long haul. At 6 feet long, it's the ideal length for most setups, giving you flexibility without excess. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your home entertainment experience with a cable that's as smart as it is sleek.